What are you guys doing over there? You're making all kinds of noise. I think they're preoccupied. That's backwards. See, the nice way is not easy hooking up thing. You want the sharp cut off edge to be on the inside, pointed up in the air, so it doesn't hurt anything, especially me. Yeah, that's a lot better. See, now most of the small wires look in the back, you don't see them like you did before.
So I could take these rubber gloves off now.
You know what you did again? You tied that white wire in there again.
Yeah. Well, I had to pull it from all of it
Yeah.
before. I knew what I was doing this time. We talked about it as what it is.
Yeah, yeah. All right, you good with that?
Yeah, that's much better.
Yeah.
I know, it's not amazing. But
Well, it'd be nice if
it
this
is.
was underneath this one, behind it, but I don't know if we can get to that position.
Did it bite you already?
Well, you bit me. Right close to my thumb that hurts. I don't know, we're pulling on this other wire. Whatever that wire is, we're pulling pretty hard on it. You put back there, but it looks a little cleaner. Looks a little bit cleaner.
Probably even use one right there. Wouldn't hurt anything.
Roll those around over there.
Okay.
All right. Where's your clippers at? Okay, there's the puller. The blue ones there. The puller. The aqua color. And tension them with those and then cut with the other one.
Looks like it's pretty much tight enough.
Okay.
This one feels pretty good too, honestly. Get a little bit out of that one.
Clip, clip.
Yeah, I need my glasses on. These old eyes.
How much are sticking up now? Pretty good. Okay. You don't want to leave them like that. Those clippers don't work as good as mine. Let's just use mine. They're right here. I'm just stating the fact. See how mine's nice and flush and his is not? Alright, anyway, after you do it, you take these and rotate them upwards. Get them out of the way. That. So you can get cut when you're cleaning your bike. Alright. Let's move the tank up and cut the other two. Alright. Bouncy, bouncy. Where'd the board go? It was right here. You lowered. There it is. Okay. In here. Did duckbills? Duckbills. Flat blade. Aqua color. See how they're flat? Evidently Dad said that's what a duck looks like. That's what he called it. That thing was trying to get me.
You don't want to pull too hard on that. You're just going to cause yourselves problems.
Okay, good enough. bit, so get in the tank. Down. That's right where it's supposed to be. No more fighting it. It's good. Okay, a couple zip ties reuse. Trash. Clean up the mess over here. Why are they getting sticky over here? There's much glue on them. Okay. Where's that new blue hose we got? Where'd you put the blue hose? Put it away?
Had that yesterday, right?
I got it somewhere. Don't know what we did with it, but it's on here somewhere. Computer's still uploading. Oh, it's on the last video finally. Took all day to get these uploaded. Last night's work. 37 gigs on video. Takes hours to upload. Blue, blue, and blue. I don't see a blue. You see blue anywhere? Put it up in your box up there by mistake?
I don't know, clearly recording myself.
And then record stumbling around looking for it? Alright. Let me hold this bolt for you again while you tighten it down. We need a nut over here too. What do you got for the nut on this side? You got a washer and a nut? Bolt up here we're going to put on here.
Oh yeah, I got it here.
Is that a big flange nut or is it a regular nut? What is it?
Well, I have it, there we go.
On the table somewhere? Okay, it's just a standard lock nut and a flat and a washer. Actually, got room to get in here. Shocked. In my hand anyway. Okay, the back you're in, right? Yep. That's wrong. The wrong lock washers on these, aren't they? No, they're just flat washers. You want a Loctite on these bolts or what? There's no lock washers on these. These back bolts. What do you do on them?
We put a little glue on them or whatever.
You want to put a lock washer on this or just put Loctite on it?
I don't really care, honestly.
You want to put a bigger, different washer combo on it?
We got the power over here down, don't we?
Yeah, we put a bigger diameter washer, but it's just a matter of you want to put a flat washer or a Loctite on it. You have a problem with these things unscrewing yourself, or? Want to just add a lock wash just in case, or
Nah, let's just a little blue on it, call it a day.
just Loctite? Okay. We'll Loctite them on there. Lock them tight.
glue on motorcycles when we bought the blue hose.
Yep.
It's not in here.
You can put the house by a chance? Okay, once you get the wrench for tightening up that front bolt and the nut, I use a double box on my side, I remember that. Did you use a ratchet to do that, or use a regular wrench?
And use the rest of the 1/2 inch.
Use a double box wrench on my side. Put it up here.
This way that gets in here nicely. Nicely done.
Torque on it. That's torque pretty good. Get my torque with that little thing?
Oh, well, at least gets me on so I can get it torque it, you know.
I am on the bolt. Probably use one of your little flex head ratchets you got there. Probably get out of that.
Oh, this thing is so nice for little spots like this thing.
Yeah, once you get
It's
it
got,
in,
it's got no drag too.
once you get a little tightness to it.
I think this is gonna give me all I need.
Can't be torquing that much. Try this one. Can I flex it in there enough?
My other little one, wherever it is, I'm losing all my notes. The other one that you hate.
It's not over here.
This guy right here. Go to a deep socket here. That's plenty.
Good, good.
Yeah, that's plenty.
Get it back to her tight and lock it in. Good. All right. Really tight in there, obviously, to get to it. But anyway, got that up in there. I'll use a double box wrench on the other side to hold the other one. It fits in there to clean. Which was this guy right here. That's what you call a double box. It's got a box on both ends. And we'll do that. Okay, we're gonna head down some hose and some clamps. We'll be back.